Hola, hola! Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a interesting video. I feel like I had to do this video just because it was interesting to me and I feel like everyone should know that Dollar Tree has this item. So today I'm going to be talking about this Dollar Tree Instant Brush Cleaner versus the Vera Mona Color Switch Solo, which is very famous. You can find it at Sephora and all that good stuff. So if you want to see how they both work in action and the side-by-side comparison and the versus, who's the winner of this battle, then please keep watching. I'm going to briefly talk about them both. I guess let me talk about the Vera Mona one first because it's the one that I've been using for about 2 years now, and yeah, I feel like it's really helpful. And I know that not everyone can afford $20. That's how much it costs to pay for something that is like not that important. I mean, it is important if you're constantly doing your makeup and you can't wash your brushes, you know, every second. That is what this is for. It's a instant brush cleaner, and like I said, this one is by Vera Mona. I will link her here down in the description box, all of the information. And yeah, I actually spoke about this briefly in my December gifting video, which is a while back, you know, almost a year ago. So yeah, I feel like this is super helpful when it comes to instantly cleaning your brushes. If you're doing a look and you want to use the same brush but use a really dark color, let's say, you know, usually back in the days, I will be honest, I would use my pants, and still if I don't find her, I'm still using my pants to clean, you know, my brush, which is not kind of like good. I mean, you're literally going to be using that on your eyes, so it's not really something for good hygiene, let's say. So this is a cute little invention, I think. I'm gonna open it for you real quick and show you. So this one is the Color Switch Solo by Vera Mona. It's the instant brush cleaner, and this one is on Sephora or the Vera Mona website for $20. And it says on the back, you have directions. It says glide eyeshadow brush against black sponge to remove color. Sponge can be washed with soap and reused, lay flat to dry. The sponge they're talking about is this one that's in here. So when you open it up, it's like a little tin can. Open it up and you take this out. This one's probably filthy. Yes, it is. It's definitely filthy. I have used it. So this is a sponge that comes inside of it. So you're basically just cleaning your dry brush with eyeshadow, and you're cleaning it right here with circular motions, and that instantly cleans your brush. This one has the eyeshadow that I used on here today, and you're literally going to clean it. Eyeshadows do stain brushes up, so it's not going to take out the stain, but it's going to take out that color that, you know, might affect your look or whatever it is. So literally, this is all you do, and you have a clean brush. I mean, it did it good, you know, it was a lot darker. And like I said, it's still going to be stained, but it took out the excess eyeshadow, which is so good and so handy. So the reason for this video is because I found this one for $1 at Dollar Tree, and I could not believe it. I was like, wait a minute. So I paid $20 for this, or maybe I found it on Amazon for cheaper, because I know I'm always looking for deals on Amazon. So I think I bought it a little cheaper on Amazon, but still I paid almost $20 for this, and when you have this one for $1. So we're gonna open it up right here, and I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm gonna find out how it looks as well right here. So vamos a ver. It has directions on the back as well. It says directions for powder, dry makeup. Gently glide your brush in a circular motion on the black pad to remove color. Not for use with liquid makeup. Okay, that's another thing. You don't want to use this with a wet brush. You only use it with dry brushes. Okay, so when you open it up, it's also a tin can, and you got the same sponge almost. So this one, yeah, it's the same thing. Dude, what? For $1? I'm here spending $20 and Dollar Tree got this for $1? Like, literally, it's the same exact thing. Probably I think the sponge, this one is a little bigger, like the circles in it is a little bigger, but it's the same exact thing. Like, the material of this is the same thing. It's like that, I don't know what material this is, but it's like that spongy, hard material. It's the same exact thing. Dude, go to Dollar Tree and go buy this. To be spending $20 on this, honestly, I would have said it back in the days if I didn't find this one. But this one right here for $1, I can't believe it. I can't believe that. I cannot believe that. So, in the front, it looks like this. Little cute little 2 eyeshadow and brushes. The Vera Mona looks like this with her logo. It's purple and black. And I know they have one for Sephora that's all black and silver. And I think it has Sephora or something like that. But yeah, I cannot believe this. So we're gonna try this out right now. Let's see the verses. Let's see if it does the same thing. If it does the same thing, then you better go out and buy the Dollar Tree one and don't buy the Vera Mona one. Sorry, Vera Mona. I'm gonna take the same brush that I just cleaned with the Vera Mona one. I'm gonna dip it back into the eyeshadow just so that we have enough eyeshadow on that, and we're going to clean it with the Vera Mona one first. So I know I showed you before, but I didn't show you it like literally in action. And you see how that's cleaning it, how the sponge has the red or the color, because it actually like picks up the color and it goes underneath here. That's where that eyeshadow and the extraness goes. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. I have to wash it. Ugh. So yeah, literally it's cleaning it, it's doing its job. And yeah, you just want to spin it around in circles and wait till it's clean. So now look at that. There's nothing coming on, no color coming on to my arm. So that means the brush is clean. It is stained, but it's clean. And that was just in seconds by the Vera Mona one. I also wanted to say that this sponge right here that comes out, you literally just put this in hot water and it cleans out instantly. And just with the same thing here, you want to use antibacterial soap. It cleans in seconds. This is like seriously so handy. But when you find the dollar one, it's even more handy. So let's see how this one works. We're going to be dipping it in right back into the eyeshadow. Make sure we pick up a lot of that eyeshadow again. And bam, that's covered up. And this is the one from Dollar Tree. And this is, what is this called? This is Sassy and Chic, the brand from Dollar Tree. I always see this brand and they have like all types of stuff. So I forgot to mention that. It's called Sassy and Chic. So, let me wait because I can't see this damn mirror. There. So we're gonna clean it up. And as well, just like the Vera Mona one, you see the red on the sponge. And it's doing cleaning. So I think it is basically the same thing. Let's see. I feel like we still have some. You see how it's a little dark still? I feel like we still have some on the brush. Maybe it's just stains because I've dipped it into that eyeshadow so much. But let's see. Let's see if after we clean it here for a while, we have it in the back of our hands. I don't see anything. So let's see. Nope. There's nothing in the back of my hands. So literally, it's the same exact thing. And you get this one for $1. Like, why? Why didn't I see this before and get this one before instead of spending $20 on this one? So yeah, that's it for this video. I showed you. It did the same exact thing. I don't have anything on my hands from either one of them. I mean, they're both amazing. They both come handy. I know for sure, you know, after using this one, this comes in handy. So I just gotta say it. If you want to spend the $20 on the Vera Mona one, go ahead and spend $20. I will link everything down below so you guys can check it out. But if you have a Dollar Tree near you, just go and get this one because it's the same thing. And these are super handy. And you don't have to be struggling cleaning your brushes on your pants. You just use this and it's super easy. You just clean it, wash it off with a little bit of hot water, and bam. That's it. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Side-by-side comparison on the Sassy Chic and Vera Mona Instant brush cleaners. So, I hope you like videos like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.